Hey students, in this video, we are going to solve x minus square root of 12 over x. This is equals to 5. And here we will find out the value of x minus square root of 3 times x. Look carefully. Here it is given x minus square root of 12 over x is equals to 5. Here in left hand side, we will apply this rule, that is square root of a over b. This is equals to square root of a over square root of b. Then here x minus, here if we apply this rule, then square root of 12 over square root of x, this is equals to 5. Here in denominator is square root of x. So that's why x not equals to 0 or x is greater than equals to 0, because here is square root of x. Now x minus square root of 12 over square root of x, this is equals to 5, and we know that x is not equals to 0 and greater than equals to 0. So that's why if you multiplied both side x, then in left hand side this x is multiplied by x, then we get x square minus x times square root of 12. Square root of 12 is same as 2 times square root of 3. So this square root of 12 is 2 times square root of 3 over square root of x, and this is equals to 5 times x. Now we know that a is equals to square root of a times square root of a. So that's why x is same as square root of x times square root of x, and we know that x is greater than equals to 0. So here x square minus this x is replaced by square root of x times square root of x is multiplied by 2 times square root of 3 and divide by square root of x, this is equals to 5 times x. Then this square root of x and this square root of x is cancelled out. So in left hand side we have x square minus square root of x times 2 times square root of 3, this is equals to 5. In left hand side x square minus square root of x is multiplied by square root of 3, then 2 times square root of 3 times x, and this is equals to 5. Now if we take all the expression in same side, here x, because here 5x, so here 5x and here x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get x square minus 5 times x minus 2 times square root of 3 times x, and this is equals to 0. Here x square minus 5x is same as minus 7 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 times square root of 3 times x, this is equals to 0. Here x square minus 7 times x, look carefully this expression. Here if we take common 2, then x minus square root of 3 times x, and this is equals to 0. Let us consider this is equation number first. And here look carefully this equation. This equation is x square minus 5x and this minus 2 times square root of 3x. If we take in right hand side, then this is 2 times square root of 3 times x. Here if we take square both side, then in left hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. a minus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then we get x square bracket power 2 plus 5x bracket power 2 minus 2 times x square times 5x, and this is equals to 12 times x. Here x power 4 plus 25 x square minus 10 times x cube, and this is equals to 12 times x. If we take all the expression in same side, then you will get x power 4 minus 10 times x power 3 plus 25 times x square minus 12 times x, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this is biquadratic equation. Here if we take common x, then x power 3 minus and minus 10 times x square, 10 times x square plus 25x minus 12 plus 25x minus 12, and this is equals to 0. We know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then x is equals to 0 and x square minus 10 times x square, here x power 3. So this is 3, and here 25 times x minus 12, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this is cubic equation. Here if we put x is equals to 3, then 3 power 3 minus 10 times this x is replaced by 3 square plus 25 times x is replaced by 3, then minus 12. 3 power 3, that is 27, minus 3 power 2, that is 9. 9 times 10, that is 90, plus 75 minus 12. 27 plus 75, that is 102, and minus 90 minus 12, that is minus 102, and this is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 3 is a solution of this cubic equation. So that's why x minus 3 is a factor of this cubic equation. Now if we divide this cubic by x minus 3, cubic equation is x cube minus 10x square plus 25x minus 12, and divide by x minus 3. Then here x square is multiplied by x, then we get x power 3. X square is multiplied by minus 3, then we get minus 3 times x square. Then here negative sign and here positive sign. Then this is cancel out. Minus 10 times x square plus 3 times x square, that is minus 7 times x square plus 25 times x minus 12. Here if we take minus 7 times x, minus 7 times x is multiplied by x, then we get minus 7 times x square. Minus 7 times x is multiplied by minus 3, then we get plus 21 times x. Then here plus and here minus, then this is cancel out, and 25x minus 21x, that is 4 times x minus 12. Now here 4 and 4 is multiplied by x, then we get 4 times x, and 4 is multiplied by minus 3, then we get minus 12. Then here negative sign and here positive sign. 4x minus 4x, this is cancel out, and minus 12 plus 12, this is cancel. So here 0. So factor of this cubic, here x minus 3 is multiplied by x square minus 7 times x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Then x minus 3, this is equals to 0, and x square minus 7 times x plus 4, this is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 3, But look carefully, the given equation is square root of, the given equation is x minus square root of 12 over 3, this is equals to 5. If we put here x is equals to 3 and here x is equals to 3, then 3 minus square root of 12 over 3, that is 4, and 3 minus square root of 4 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So here left hand side is 1 if you put x is equals to 3 and right hand side is 5. So that's why x is equals to 3 is not solution of given equation. Then x square minus 7 times x, this is equals to minus 4. Value of x square minus 7 times x, this is equals to minus 4. Here this value is replaced by minus 4 plus 2 times x minus square root of 3 times x, and this is equals to 0. If this minus 4, if we take in right hand side, then this is plus 4, and in left hand side 2 times x minus square root of 3 times x, and this is equals to plus 4. Now if we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out and this 4 is divided by 2, then we get 2. Then value of x minus square root of 3 times x is equals to 2. So this is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.